During the bulk dunning and letter on demand process, agents have to evaluate letter requests against dozens of account evaluation conditions prior to sending a letter or notice. With so many letter guidelines to follow, costly compliance training is unreliable and slows production. Now, CSS has created on-demand dunning compliance evaluation and generation. With COD dunning compliance, agent letter evaluation is a thing of the past. COD cross-references each letter individually against all compliance barriers at point in time of request at both the bulk generated and letter on demand levels. Letters deemed compliant are generated at moment in time of evaluation, eliminating possibility of compliance fallout. Any letters deemed non-compliant are restricted from being generated and present an out-of-compliance notification to the agent, accompanied by guidelines for creating a compliant request. Agents can now effortlessly generate compliant letters instantly with the click of a button. Dunning made simple. That's CSS Impact. For more information about our products and solutions, please contact our Business Development Consulting team at 877-277-4621 or visit us at cssimpact.com.